on?
Both.
Alright, and this, you can see that? This bracket goes between the rotor and that block because the threads are on here. Okay, put those two bolts back in. Alright, tighten that up. Remember, you just want to snug her up till you get them both tight to make sure it's on straight. You do not want crooked brakes, guys. It'll do some bad damage. Make sure your rotor's on straight. Alright guys, my battery's dying, so I just got to do this real quick. I got the bracket back on, I got the shoes in, slide the caliper on, put your 2 bolts in for your slider pins. We already checked to make sure they were sliding.
Heard them to round up.
Alright guys, my battery's dying, so I got to be quick. I just want to show you, there's a pin on the back of this brake right here, and it's got to slide into this one of these 2 notches, or else you'll never get it. And see, now she slides right on there. But alright, my battery's dead, so I gotta turn it off. Thanks for watching, guys.